Why didn't a single change point work?
The single change point assumes that to the right, there will be a benefit of EVT, and to the left, there will be a benefit of medical management. And what we were learning was that it might be a little bit more nuanced than that, where there might be a subset of patients where there's essentially no difference of the two therapies. It's essentially like a coin flip. And so by changing it from one change point to two, we're allowing ourselves to kind of find this area of somewhat equality or a similar effectiveness. And then we're allowed to say to the right of that, that's where the EVT would be. So to the right of the right change point, that's where EVT is better. Between the right and the left change point, they're equal. And then to the left of the left change point, we think medical management is better. So it allows us a little bit more flexibility to add that kind of piece where we don't actually think there's a big difference between the two.
It allows those two change points to scoot away from each other if that's what the data are saying should be the right answer, and allows for that region of equivalence or equality that Liz was mentioning that we would estimate between the two change points to cover the entire scale of that covariate that we're modeling over. And so it allows us to handle this null scenario much more intuitively than if the model were to have to just try to figure out where a single change point would need to be.